Fine. This is 27th problem. Let us check out this. One number exceeds another number by 36. If sum of both the numbers is 48, find the numbers. We need to find those two numbers. Let the first number be x. Right? It's a very simple one. Let the first number be x. So one number is exceeds another number by 36. Okay. The second number be x plus 36. Right. If sum of both numbers is 48, that is nothing but x plus 36 is equal to 48. So simplified, we are going to get x, that is 2x plus 36 is equal to 48. So 2x is equal to 48 minus 36, which is nothing but 12. X is equal to 12 by 2, which is going to be 6. So therefore, the first number is 6. The second number is 36 plus 6, which is going to be